The cord is a 3-wire, 16-gauge cord. Power cords tend to receive lots of abuse. The cord can be cut, nicked, internally damaged, or have the prongs broken off. A damaged cord should be immediately replaced to avoid an electric shock. Replacing the cord is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing 1/2 of the handle housing. With the handle cover removed, now I can remove the cord clamp. Next, I'll remove the screw that secures the switch. I'll pull the switch from the housing and remove the 2 cord wires. And I'll remove the ground wire from the frame. Now I can pull the cord away from the tool. And I'll remove the cord protector. Now I can begin installing the new cord. First, I need to cut the wires to the proper length, and I'll use the old cord as a guide. I'll strip back about 1/4 inch of insulation from each of the wires. And I'll install new eyelets to each of the wires. Now I'll reinstall the cord protector. I'll thread the wires through it. Now I can reconnect the cord. I'll start with the ground wire. Next, the black cord wire. And then the white cord wire. Now resecure the switch to the housing. And tuck all the wires out of the way. And I'll resecure the cord with the cord clamp. I'll place the clamp over the top of the cord and secure it with the screws. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the handle cover. And that's all it takes to replace the cord set in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.